Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the SUJATA Powermatic Plus Juicer Mixer Grinder. This is a 900 watt juicer mixer grinder. You can see an image over here. It's a pretty large one. It comes with high torque, energy efficient motor, more power, lower consumption of electricity and smooth running. And that's all the information actually on this box. I will quickly take a look in case I have missed anything. Now that's more or less it. We have some information over here. Alright, not much. It just lists the different parts of the motor over here: power on indicator, rotary speed control, whipper switch, easy to replace acetal R driving gear, research based design of cutter spinner synchronized with motor speed, motor fitted with double ball bearings for longer life. So it's given some details of the engine and of the motor, the 900 watt motor, and nothing really more. So I will open this box and take a look inside. There you go. This is what you find inside. Right off the bat, we have some documents. This is the operating manual for the SUJATA Powermatic Juicer Mixer Grinder. Everything that you want to know, all the components are all listed here. You will also find how to clean the juicer, different do's and don'ts, different tips, and safety precautions, care and maintenance specifications. Speaking of which, power supply 230 volts, power consumption 900 watts, rating 90 minutes. Speed control 3-speed with rotary action, and what else is there? Flex cord 2.15 meters, PVC flex cord. Net weight is 6.2 kilograms with the carton. So the actual thing will probably weigh around 4 kilos. So let's take a look at the different components of this box. And what is this? This is a product information from SUJATA. The documents for other products of SUJATA. And now there's some so there's an extra driving gear over here with some screws. So this is for when you want to change the driving gear. This is, I'll not open this. This is actually a sealed packet of a driving gear. And what else? So this is the juicer mixer grinder in question. Let me show you the attachments first. So these are all the components of this particular box. We have first, this is the 900 watt motor. This is the main unit. Every other attachment goes on top of this. A 900 watt motor. It's a very powerful motor. This weighs at least 4 kilos, as I mentioned earlier. It also comes attached with this 2.15 meter long PVC cable with a 3-pin socket at one end. And the speed settings are right over here. The 3 speed settings for high, medium, and low. And there's also an extra button for when you want to use the whipping function. What other things do we have? There is a liquidizer jar. This is what it's made out of. This is a 1.75 liter liquidizer jar. This is not glass, by the way. This is actually food grade plastic. And there are the set of knives, the set of blades at the base, as you can see. It also comes with a lid. This is the lid that it comes with. There you go. And we also have a stainless steel jar. This is a stainless steel jar for grinding and mixing and every other kind of functionality. This is a stainless steel, a food grade stainless steel jar, and there is also a blade attachment at the base over here, as you can see. This is the attachment that goes at the very top once all the other attachments have been fitted in. Speaking of which, this is the pulp container which attaches itself like so. And this is basically the juicing attachment. So this goes on top and fits right over here. Let me just do that. There you go. It's attached right now. Next goes this particular attachment, the pulp. This is where the pulp gets collected. And you have this lid on the top to close it all in. When you lock this device in over here using these grooves, you lock it in. That's 1 and that's 2. Now you have your juicer mixer grinder ready. This is what it looks like. Here you can see it's made out of plastic, solid plastic. It's also pretty heavy. It's around 5 kilos in weight right now. There are also couple of other attachments. This is, for instance, this is the cutter spinner filter. This you can attach over here when you want to use it. And whenever you want to use the juicer attachment, you attach it like so. When you don't want to use it, you just remove it like this. I'll just do it. There you go. That's 1, that's 2. remove this particular attachment and use the cutter spinner the way you see fit. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the SUJATA Powermatic Plus Juicer Mixer Grinder. Thank you for watching.